morning, everyone, and thanks for tuning in with us today. We hope you guys are having a good day so far. It's already 77 out here today. It's amazing. However, it is supposed to rain and have thunderstorms later today. So we took this opportunity to shoot a vlog about what to do on a rainy day with your children to not only keep you sane, but keep those kids sane too. So there'll be helpful tips for children and mom. So make sure to tune in, and we hope you guys have a great day. Thanks for watching. Okay, so we are actually back in Blake's little toy area, and we are getting his choo-choo train put together for the day. We don't normally put it together a lot because it takes up a lot of room, but with it being a rainy day, I think it's gonna be perfect for him. Alright, so Blake has his train all put up. Woohoo, buddy! You having fun? Chugga, 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 choo, choo. Our little man just woke up. Say hi, Liam. Alright, you guys, so Liam just woke up. He's bouncing, his favorite thing to do. I'm gonna let him do that. Blake is still over here playing with his choo-choo. Both boys are playing, they are busy. I'm going to fold some laundry and do a little mama time and watch some TV, which is something I never really do. I'm going to be watching the sequel to Pretty Little Liars, just catching up on the episode that I missed. And I'm pretty excited. It seems like a pretty good show. I really loved Pretty Little Liars, so I'm hoping I'm gonna like this too. So Blake decided he was done with the trains, and now him and brother are playing on the car mat with all different kinds of cars. You got a car, Liam? What do you got, Blake?
Dad.
A truck. Woohoo! Hey you guys, so Blake is laying down for nap time. Easy, my love. Yes, it's your puppy. Oh yes, okay. Yes, I know you love your boy. Oh my goodness, you guys see this. Is this not adorable? Such a good girl, my love. Good girl. Go lay down. Go get in your bed. Go get in your bed. Okay. So like I was saying, oh, my hair's crazy. Blake is laying down for his nap, and Liam's going to be going up shortly, but I wanted, you know what, maybe I should just give him some time alone with the dog. I wanted to do something special with him, because I don't get a lot of me and Liam time. So I brought down some books for us to read, but I think you're more interested in our dog right now. Mila, you want to come sit with us and read a book? Come on. Lay down. Good girl. All right. So we've got The Good Dinosaur, Such a Big World. We've got Put Me in the Zoo, 10 Tiny Toasts, and Where is Baby's Belly Button? So let's read some and not chew on Mama's books. Crazy. There you go. Ready? Such a big world. Welcome to the world, Arlo. This is Papa and Mama. They'll take good care of you and teach you everything they know. What a big, big bug. Spot and Arlo are headed for a great adventure. Yay! I will go into the zoo. I want to see it. Yes, I do. We do not want you in the zoo. Out you go. Out, out with you. Why did they put me out this way? I should be in. I want to stay. Yay, Liam! Yay! Yay, Liam! Pat a cake, baker's man. Bake me a cake as fast as you can. Roll it, pat it, mark it with the B, and put it in the oven for the baby and me. Yay! Pat a cake, bake. I just laid Liam down a little bit ago, and Blake just woke up, so we are gonna make a fort and have some mommy and Blake time. So I think the boys are enjoying their fort. It's pretty cool. We got some goldfish for a snack. These candles are not real, they're battery operated. Liam's playing, they're having a ball. We've got the new Charlie Brown movie on. And I also I found this at the Dollar Tree yesterday, just for boys. It's got some stickers in here for Blake, and then like a bunch of different coloring pages. So I'm gonna let him do that while he's watching a movie. I've got a rug type thing put down so he can't get marker everywhere, but I'd say they both like it. Super cute. Yep, you found the goldfish. How did I know that you, out of all people, would find a goldfish, Liam? Good job, buddy. I'm so proud of you. What is that? What is it? What is this? Car. Alright, here you go. We made this picture a long time ago. I just figured he could put his stickers on there. But this is another fun rainy day to do, is get stamps out. Our stamps are just put away at Grandma's house right now. No, I don't want them on me. I want you to put them on paper. Thank you. Good job. Thank you. It's music time! Guys, thanks for joining in with us. We hope you guys have amazing rest of the day, and please like, comment, share, subscribe so we can reach more people out there. And I hope you guys had a couple ideas that you can do on your next rainy day. Have a good night, guys. We love you all.